Welcome everyone, and thanks for joining today's video. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to change the lock screen status in Windows 11. This feature allows you to display useful information like your mail, calendar, or weather directly on your lock screen for quick access. First, right-click on the Start icon at the bottom. Next, click on Settings from the list. Then, select Personalization on the left side of the screen. Then, from the list of options, click on Lock Screen. Now, under the section that says Personalize your lock screen, you'll find an option labeled Lock Screen Status. Next to it, there's a drop-down menu. Finally, click on the menu and choose the app you want to display, such as Mail, Calendar, Weather, or any other available option. Once you've selected your preferred app, simply close the settings window. Your new lock screen status is now active. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.